Welcome guys, you are looking to watch CyberPantherTech. In this video I will show you how can you create RDP using Google. In order to create the RDP, we will firstly go on our Google browser. We are come on our Google browser and here we type Google Cloud Console. Now we go on first website. They will be opening. So there is a console. There is a console option coming. We will be clicked on it. They will take some time here because they will be connecting. So they will be starting here. So guys, there will be a try for free. There are many options. Create a virtual machine, train and host ML models. Like there are many menus in this, but they are paid. We are trying to create RDP free without any other transaction or without any credit card. So there will be option activate cloud shell. You will be clicked on this. There will be a window player. You will be use it on another window or on this window. I will try this. Here they will be connecting. There will be a connecting coming. So there he will take some time. We will be wait here while he was connected. There is connected and there is a my email come where from I sign up my Google account. So let's here we will be write a code. I have a code in this. I will be pasting it in my video description. Here I will paste a code. There will be docker run port 6070. We will copy this and paste here and press enter. They will be start downloading some resources. After some resources, extracting the packages, pull complete, download complete. They will be after processing. There will be a new window appears. I will show you. There he will be take some time for extracting their packages. So please calm and wait. There will be everything in completed. I will be show you something. There I will be new terminal open. Here I write the command stop. I will show you that what is the version of our RDP, how many memory is working and how many not. There is everything about our RDP. Everything is successfully completed. Now here is the option web preview. There is a default port 8080. You can use this for creating RDP, but I will be using the port 6070. There I will be clicked on change and preview. There will be a new tab open automatically. Here it will take some time. It will be open within a minute. Our RDP is successfully created and it will be connected. Here I will show you what is the speed of our RDP. We'll be going to Firefox browser. Here I have fast.com. I will press enter. Here it comes, and it will testing our RDP network speed. It will be mirroring. My internet speed is 790 MB per second. Sometime it will be 1.5 GB per second. I always used it. So this time it will be slow, but as many as a normal PC. There will be, you will be do something in your RDP, you will be use Facebook, YouTube, anything as you can use in your real PC. I hope you will like the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.